Please stay tuned for an important announcement from the National Weather Service.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Monroe, Wayne, Washtenaw, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, and St. Clair counties. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning starting at 2 p.m. Thursday until 2 a.m. Friday. 9 to 12 inches of snow is expected throughout the afternoon to late night hours. The wind is expected to be 40 to 60 miles per hour with gusts up to 75. The wind will be coming from east-southeast. The temperatures at 2 p.m. are expected to be 20 to 25 degrees Fahrenheit and will drop drastically until the late night hours. The temperatures at midnight are expected to be 0 to 5 degrees. Wind chill factors will be at 15 to 20 degrees at 2 p.m. and at -5 to -15 degrees at midnight. Travel will be limited throughout the day and night. Visibility will also be limited as well during the blizzard. Do not travel. If you need to travel, have a winter survival kit. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Also prepare for possible power outages during the blizzard.